talking to Chelsea Chlamydia. She is here with us today talking about her love life. Chelsea, what would you say was the first...
Oh, hi. What?
How would you explain your first date? She's a little shy.
I'm sorry. It was out of this world. I mean, we...
Oh my god, I'm feeling lightheaded. I'm sorry.
We went out for... We went out for chowder and I ended up spending the night. It was a hot, hot night.
So, did he sing you a song? I heard he's a musician.
Yeah. He sung my favorite song. You want to hear it?
Yes. It'd be very nice if you...
I've just seen a face I can't forget.
She gets the girl. Oh man, what? This is wild. We've never seen
She's
this
just
guy.
a girl for me, and I want all the world to see we've met. Have you heard that song?
Actually, no, I haven't.
It's by the Beatles! It's my favorite song of all time. Oh shit, I'm hella lightheaded right now. Oh my god.
Yeah, moving on. If you had one wish, what would it be?
To do all the wildest things in one night.
Say it, don't spray it. I'm sorry. For example, if you had that one night, what would something wild be? Would you want to skydive?
A lot of peanut butter. A lot of peanut butter on your penis.
That's exotic. I just don't know what to say to that.
Me either. Anyways, so keep moving on.
Would you like to sing us a song? I heard you have a very good pitch when it comes to singing songs.
I can sing. What would you like me to sing for you? I can sing anything at all.
We have some dragons. How about something by Peaches?
Stuck in my titties like you wanna call me all the time about checking my pussy behind its fun all the time. Life sex on the beaches. What else is in the peaches? The peaches? Huh, what?